Hi, this is PR Sundar. Welcome to Post Market Report, sponsored by Delta.exchange. What a volatile market. Since last Thursday, every day either market goes up 200 point or comes down by 200 point, or many times it goes up 200 then come down 200, or go down 200 then come up by 300. So markets were just too volatile to handle. So yesterday the market kept on falling nearly 250 points from day's high, and people left, right and center sold call options. Even the 24,500 call option people have sold heavily. Today they all got into trouble. So, but today, and all the call option unwinding was there, and then again now people have sold put option heavily, and today 24,600 put option, having the highest open interest in today's trade. Let us hope tomorrow market is not falling 200 point. So for the last 5 days, the markets have been very, very volatile. Then what is going to be tomorrow? Number one, for the last 2 to 3 days, though markets were recovering intraday 200 point, 300 point, the volatility index did not come down. The volatility index kept on increasing. And today, in the morning it was higher, but towards the end of the day, market sustained the rally. Then the volatility index has come down. Finally, after 3 or 4 trading sessions, today the VIX has come down by 0.75%. So that is something really very good. And the second one, and yesterday as well as today, both days it was, the bank Nifty that was trying to drag the market down. Look at the HDFC Bank. In the pre-market, it was showing 25 point plus. Then it went up 15 rupees, came down 15 rupees, again went up 15 rupees. It was completely the bank Nifty, which is getting into yesterday the inflation data came, the lowest level. But auto stocks are doing well. But I don't know what is wrong with bank Nifty. That too, especially PSU banks and HDFC Bank. So that's how the volatility was there. So hopefully the volatility comes down. The next one. And as of last Friday, Nifty closed in red for 6 consecutive weeks. I think I spoke this. In fact, in the last 20 years, as per some report, the Nifty 6 consecutive closing in red territory or negative territory happened only 2 times in last 20 years. So this is the 3rd time. So you can see the kind of huge negativity in the market. But however, Friday is a holiday, so therefore tomorrow is this week will be ending. And I don't think that this time domestic institutions will allow the Nifty to close in red territory or negative territory. So after 6 weeks of continuous fall, the markets are turning around. Markets will be closing positive this week. So again, we do not know. Anything can happen from today evening to tomorrow morning. But looking at the overall picture, we have to wait for FII selling data. See, I'm saying FII selling data. It's not FII data. So every day they have decided to sell. So as long as there is no big selling by FIIs, the markets are likely to stabilize, and markets may even start recovering, because market cannot keep on falling. So 6 weeks already markets have fallen. So anyway, the 24,300 is considered to be a good support as of now. So I'm expecting, between 24,000 to 25,000 maybe for next another. If tomorrow expiry is over, then we have only 9 more trading sessions. So the people I know are hoping the time value will help them. And in the monthly option also, people have sold 24,000 put also heavily, and 25,000 call also heavily. So stock wise, maybe we can discuss tomorrow. So because I've got some other work, so I'm just shooting this much earlier. So we will see the remaining things tomorrow morning. Hope you enjoyed watching this video. Thank you for watching.